Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. Today's topic of discussion is Singapore's T. Rajakumar is now new president of FATF. Singapore's T. Rajakumar has been appointed as the president of the Financial Action Task Force, the anti-money laundering watchdog. Kumar has replaced Marcus Pleyer, who was holding the post till now and will discharge his service for the next 2 years. Let me tell you that T. Rajakumar has been working against global terror financing for quite a long time. And soon after taking over the charge, Kumar presented his objective for the coming plenary period, that is July 2022 to June 2024, to strengthen the FATF. During the Singapore presidency, the FATF will continue its core work of identifying and analyzing money laundering and terrorist financing methods and trends, developing and refining the FATF standards, and evaluating and supporting the assessment of countries within the global network. Now we will understand some facts about T. Rajakumar. Rajakumar holds an LLB honours degree from the National University of Singapore and a master's degree in philosophy, criminology and law from the University of Cambridge. Kumar also attended the Advanced Management Program at Harvard University in 2006, and he had been assisting the Ministry of Home Affairs Singapore and the Singapore Police Force for over 35 years. Now, some important facts about FATF. FATF was founded in the year 1989 and its headquarters is located in Paris, France. So this is all about the topic. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.